Another day, another dollar lost in the markets. Mm. Okay, so let's begin that. Today might be my last day for this trading combine because I will reach my daily, my maximum loss limit. Since right now I'm down 3,800 or something, and I'm left max loss limit. Yes, so you see, I'm 600 away. So basically, I have one trade for full risk, or maybe two trades for if I manage my risk. I'm going full size as always. I'm not trying to limit my potential of having a winner in a decent size because I think it's not appropriate to lower my risk because my probabilities are still there. I have 40% chance of winning today. Obviously, this price action, like the trend going lower, but on the other hand, this but on the other hand, this what? Oh, okay. So like markets are stagnating somehow in the downtrend, and if you see the trend, pew, 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 for my level. But on the other hand, we are right now for the third time, fourth time, fifth time, I don't know. There's so many attempts to break this invisible line that it's crazy. And we are also attempting to do a rising wedge, right? So, this is very like from overall, from my perspective, these all trades that I'm having right now and that are negatively influencing my P&L are the least I can say they're frustrating, but I didn't have a decent win since it will be soon a month without a decent win, my 30%. So yes, that's why I'm on the break even. My last win, this is bad day. This is not proud of. It was on 23rd. So um, yeah, so it's almost a month on 22nd. The last good trade was on 22nd, and today is 19th. So like 2 days away from full month with like yes, I have not been trading, but like yeah, this is getting ridiculous. And also, if we take a look of the past month, mm, it's like okay, from that day where I win. Okay, so this is this is this is this is the 1 month. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losses in a row. If I would have taken every trade, right? Like, right? Okay, so 7 losses in a row, then 2 wins, then 1, 2, 3. So 10 to 2, 10 to 4. So this is a nice percentage, 40%. And then 10, 12 to 4, 12 to 6, 13 to 6. So if I would have taken all the trades, but I don't take trades before CPI because like before, bef why I'm not getting all my, somehow I'm missing some data, at least it looks like. Okay, before, 2 days before and 1 day before. So I have 34%, but it happened so that I would have lost like both of those trades. Mm, and they were the savers of savers of the month, to be fair with you. Okay, so here we go. Also, we have the school run. Sorry for being slow, but I'm just thinking while I'm talking. 3, 4 to 1, 5 to 1, 5 to 2, 7 to 2, 7 to 3, 9 to 3, 9 to 4, 11 to 4, 11 to 5, and wow, so 11 to, that was 5, 14 to 5. So school run sucked this month massively, like massively. Overall, it's not the best performer. It is 38%, but and also if I would not have traded on CPI and PPI and also on non-farm, maybe that would have been a better version of all this. And obviously this day where I haven't been trading. Well, you have to put some days aside. So today, Tuesday, tomorrow, like FOMC meeting minutes. This is a very important. Oops, that's the wrong color, I suppose. Break. So this is important day. The symposium is also kind of important. So on Wednesday I'm not trading, definitely. Maybe on Friday. This is also a day where it gets fucked up because the news are at 15 minute and 30 minute where I have to enter, and they tend to just flash the market like it was here, nothing good happened. That's strange that I don't have it right here. Here, everything is good. Good happened. All the things are good happening. This is one, both bad. Uh, both bad. Like, this is also, I mean, I'm counting off so many days if you like, those are also bad. That's weird. That's also bad. Oh my god, they are Also too bad. So basically, one good, one bad. They didn't one good, one bad. So that's good. One good, one bad is very good. One, two, both bad. I mean, they don't seem to be both good. I don't know if I'm up again or not. Both bad, like more, both bad. So yeah, this is not the day to take a trade. But well, for yeah, just so we have 17 seconds for the open. We are we will try our best, obviously. We will try our best to take a signal, to enter with the signal, not to get uh, overconfident or I don't know. I was actually trying to add to my positions, whereas I thought that, I somehow I got this set up. I know how it works. I've been trading it for 3 months, and it looks like I know this. But then now this cluster of bad trades, of losing trades in this particular period of 1 month, it's so disastrous. Like I don't know the market. I There was times where I didn't feel in sync with the market, but right now I don't know. It just feels that I am totally, totally out of control. The market does whatever it likes to do. And you can say, okay, now this is stupid. You have to wait for the break to the downside, maybe then retest, and then, but like, you could take any strategy, I think. And sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So, and everybody's talking about these losing clusters, and like lots of traders encounter it. And I would like to go short in this one actually. Can I go like one contract short with a very, very super little risk? I mean, for this target, this. They might add on the way down if we flush. We should be having some more juice to the downside. Like, I'm pretty confident about it. Okay, that's good enough for me. So, it's nice to sometimes, I don't know, win something. So the 700 is a level where we are not stopping. By that I mean that this is a level where I think I will not be able to I don't know, like this is a very huge opening range, first of all. We are coming down to my level where I would be more of a buyer than a seller. And yeah, yesterday I've been telling myself that the 700 level is the level where we do not um, stop, or where we just tend to go through and I don't know, don't stop. So right now, do I want to enter with my setup? Actually, I don't know, because the move itself was made like a huge move. The move where we broke that without hesitation, and I only managed to get $100 from that. Um, yeah, so that's what it is. Maybe I'm not greedy, maybe I'm too fearful, maybe I don't know what's wrong with this whole trading thing. Because sometimes when I'm right like so little that it just even doesn't matter, maybe. You know, it doesn't matter. And when I'm wrong for good, for a lot of money, for a lot of money. I'm wrong for, I mean, yeah. So you see, there was no setup for me. There's 30 seconds left, and the price is going where it's supposed to go on my target. And like, if this is going to be a huge red day, I don't know. It's pretty tough to say. Do I want to still enter this? I would enter with like 5 contracts then. Yeah, so this is like probably where we at 17. This is where I should be if I want to. But like the problem here is that I truly do not believe this is going to be a continuation to the downside. Like I did everything on my signal. I don't trust what I did. This is a problem, but this is at least my setup. And yeah, let's see if 700 if this is a run for 600, like lots of people say that 600 is a level where you can have a party, but I mean, right now it doesn't look like it. But let's not get like discouraged by everything, okay? Like there is a feeling in me that this is too much to ask. Oh my gosh, like 550, like there has to be a bad day, like terrible day. I mean, 57. The target is 57. Like what? Like this is the target. Are you kidding? Like bro, you have to be really uh bold to trust this, right? Really have to be bold to trust that this is the target for today. I mean, maybe 60%, but 50% maybe for the continuation to the downside. But we stopped right there. There was a huge break of like it was building up for 1, 2, 3 days, all this thing. We came back in this area of volume. Now we are trying just to battle this, and yeah, my stop loss is down there, up there. I mean, up there far away. We're coming back to 700s, obviously, just to show you who's the boss. And the 700s, they might, yeah, grab like lots of fucking liquidity. Maybe I could add here, like, I don't know, or maybe I could pull off my position because there was one wave to 700s, there was another wave to 700s. We are holding, but if we can reject it for the bearish candle, then there's a big probability for us to go short, like short. Nope. I mean, is one more attempt to do this. If we are not, like, everybody's scared right here. Everybody's thinking, am I like too, I cover this, I cover this. I've been so short from the open, so I have to cover this, or I've been short from the open. And obviously, it's kind of the day, kind of the trend up downtrend right now. But overall, if we take a look at daily charts, an uptrend, and we grab that, went there where I was thinking that it should go. So, like, there's I don't know. There's many things can happen. These 700s still battling, still holding. I have no reason to take out my trade yet because, well, 700s might be not the place where price stops, as we've seen before. Like here, it went a little bit kerfuffle and went straight up, then here up, like here up and down. There's nobody like respects it. Uh, these 700s, but there is sometimes when the 700 might be respected, and it can be right when I am in the trade, right? So, mm, yeah. So, and yet I don't know how to trade. Should I trust my gut? Should I trust my setups? This is, I don't know, man. I'm lost. I'm truly lost. I don't know. I have what's still left, like 200 risk. So, one trade. I have one trade today to take. And it better be a winner. I don't know what to say. I just don't know how to trade. When I'm in sync with the markets, I trust my gut. Like, but when the markets are not giving me for 1 month, I don't even I stop trusting my gut then, you know? I stop questioning myself. Like, I know lots of boys did this short and they're happy with it and they don't want to go long, like more short, because it's no point. Like, you made the money, that's good. I didn't make the money. I like was risking much less than I was supposed to risk. I don't know. I just didn't want to blow it for my not set up trade, but like that might become my setup trade. I don't know. The break of hmm, this is foolishness. Nice candle. My level will be in play. So if I enter with 15 contracts, oops, no, 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 no. No, don't do anything. If I enter with 15 contracts for this, just for this, quick move, 650 to my level. I'm asking very little. Wow, what a land Santa. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. Where's my risk? Like 700s. Oh my god, 3,000. I entered way too much. Okay, so 50s are under attack. Takes a lot of time to go down, right? But be patient, it will go down. So I'm risking too much. Like that's the thing. I'm risking way too much, and now the 50s are getting back. Overall, we probably are getting to go right here from what the thing is like on the screen, what I see from the price action. We we will, if we break, we will break through there, through this. Like I think we have more sellers today, and they when they are taking some time on the level, that gives me a bit of a confidence, to be fair with you, because that like there obviously can be like this, but somehow I trust today more than you supposed to trust. Yeah, that's awake right now. Down, up, and now continuation to the downside. Like this is a nice price action. The patience, man, the patience. You need a lot of patience for this game. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let it be, let it be. 700s, can they be retested in the way? I mean, like just to come back there, to grab what's left and still go down. What's the probability of that? It's a very sexy push. I'm telling you, it's a very sexy push. I'm not expecting 600, but 620 would be like probably still my target should be the thing that I want. Oh, my target was that, but 620 ish, maybe like this. So right here, I'm risking all my account. For this trade, I'm risking all my account, and this is not logical. Okay, so we are struggling to go down a little bit, but there's still nothing to worry about a thing. There's obviously lots of things to worry about it. Like, for example, like this is where I would be a buyer, right? This is where I would be a buyer. Right now, we're at the level where I would be a buyer, and I know that we are short to my position, and so yeah, I'm just like, what the fuck? So you see, right now I'm down like 1,000, and it's not stopping, and it's still going up. I think it will go for 700s or something. Just check it out again if we have something left over there, right? So my my stop loss is right there, so I think it's a good stop loss. But obviously the risk is not appropriate for this trade because this is a full account that I'm risking. It's a demo account, fortunately, but unfortunately, that's stupid like decision to take so much out of it. And yeah, so this is a still one of my setups appearing. I think that will go like this, and then we'll have another candle to continue to the downside maybe, or stay in the range and break to the previous area. I don't know. Let's see what we are. I'm trying I'm trying to convince myself that I don't see this trade, okay? That I didn't take it. But that's hard, man. That's hard. So, yeah, 5 minutes left. As I said, 700s will be retested. It would be stupid to put your stop loss right there. Oh, I'm not out yet somehow. I don't know why. Okay, so it made a retest or not? This is what? This is not a retest, or this is a retest. So that's interesting how I am kind of hedging myself, almost, kind of. I don't know. The 700 level will it hold? I don't know. It seems to me like it wants to hold, but on the other hand, it's not appropriate for it to hold. So if we break down, I think there's a good chance we're reaching this level. Obviously, my risk is too big for this account, like 10 times too big. I don't know, I've chosen to double down for this move to the downside, and then right now we have all the shits coming on and happening. So now we have this school run, which is how much? What? Am I alright? I have to be on 61, so 8. Yeah, good, good. So 8 contracts to buy. If we break 700s, which is stupid because 700s might be just hit because it's 700. You know what I mean? And it can be just because there's liquidity up there, and we might, I don't know, retrace back and take me out, and so, or maybe we can continue 69. Doesn't matter. I don't know this. So I've lost, by the way, the demo account, which is now kind of zero, and we're pushing to the upside. I don't know the target. Maybe somewhere here on the open. What's the target? What is the target? Oh, it's quite close to the open, yeah. 62, 62, brother. 62 and a half, 1,000. Sweet. So can we right now move my stop loss? That's the question. I want to delete this. There's too many information for me. Yeah, I think 87 is a good place to put my stop loss, because we are quite away, and if we come back to this level, and by the way, that will be my probably dead end. If we come back to this level, maybe I want to add for the sake of, I don't know, for the sake of push. I don't know if those 800s will somehow influence my trade, but I want to be 796. 96 is just below 700, which is fine. Yeah, if we come back to 700s, obviously it's just another day, and we might come back to hit the 700s because there was lots of things left out there, which would suck massively, obviously. But let's see. Is this push for a couple of hundreds? Like, is my setup working or not? That's the only question I have. If we squeeze above that, maybe I want to still add more, sub by like 2 or here. And then I'm moving my stop loss just for the momentum trade to go up and over to 750s, 760s, back to the value area. No, just up and over. Wow. Like, seriously, bro? Okay, come back for the second time, okay? come back for the second time. And I'll go for the VWAP trade and come back to the open, straight down to the open. That would be crazy. But before that, we'll have to visit 700s. Isn't it right, bro? We'll have to visit 700s before we can go up. Just because we are in the range and we are coming back to the range. If we come back to the range, that's obviously a nice target. That's a good target. If we come back to the range, it's a nice target. It's the middle of the range. Even it could be maybe a little squeeze up. Okay, so there's a second attempt to do this push to the up. Will we be able to go through this, and will the buyers go? By the way, I'll have to go. So it's a matter of time when I'll have to leave my PC. It looks still it wants to go up. It still looks like it wants to go up. Now is the right time to buy, is it? I don't know why I'm bothering to move my stop loss, because like if we go to 0, if I would be like, I should be on 700s still, like this, from the 72.5. This is where I want to be. Okay, this is where I want to be. If we cannot continue, these are very weak candles. Like this one's weak, this one's also weak. VWAP is holding strong, but like if we break through VWAP, then it's obviously a good potential for the upside. There might be some squeezes to the downside, and when we will be taken out, it might be. It's not yet 50%, so I'm obviously a bit huge in the position, like huge. I'm expecting this to be a big old boy come back to the range. I don't know if it's gonna happen, or we will flush down before we go up. Now it's not hold, it's like it's looking weak. This hold is looking weak, like it wants to go. Like we cannot go through and open over. It's very hard for it to do it. Yeah, this is like a violent flush that could be potential. Destroyer of me. And you know yourself, these markets are not willing to give you good trends. They're willing to give you good ranges, not good trends. So, like, there's a much bigger probability for me to be wrong than right. I mean, we are coming back to those 700s, right? That would be funny. Yeah. Good. So we are we are blown. I was expecting this to come back to 700s, obviously. Um, like potential. There was big potential to come back to 700s. Just to touch it. Just tiny touch. Okay. Yeah. So my account is blown. My trading combine is gone, gone, gone. Performance. Why is this? Yeah, it's blown. It's blown. Don't be fooled by that. This is yeah. So look at the curve, like up and no, this is not there. Right, this one. Yeah. So, but I want to see it on. Well, yeah. So we started good, up and down, up and up, and then not even a chance. Not even a chance. Like from that day, 1 month is down, just down. That's fucking stupid. That is freaking stupid. So I'm 30. That's bullshit. Here, 1 to 1. Profit factor 1. So yeah, I lose one, I win one. So there's nothing to be said. There's nothing to be said. How am I still in trade? Or why am I still in trade? Why I can still trade? That's the question. Max loss, balance. So Exactly where I'm supposed to be. I'm on a loser side. Let's just play the game of this. Yeah, I'm just playing the game. I'm just playing the game. I don't know why it lets me play the game because like fucking. Oh, thank you. So I took the trade right at the top. Right at the top. What did you do? So now it's past that. Okay, so basically that's it. GG finita, right? Oh, okay, so now we go. So now we go.